guys, hopping on here today because it is August 1st, which means we have a new kit. There's my dog, Smokey. He's looking at a horse that's outside. Anyways, I'm so excited to introduce to you guys this new kit. It is called French Countryside, and it is adorable. It's a very good neutral classic one, as you guys can see. And I am going to show you guys each individual page. We're going to go through it all quickly, efficiently, and you're going to see an adorable new kit. I also want to mention we are having a journal cover freebie that is available on pinkmonarchprints.com. So make sure to check out that journal freebie. The cover, did I say that? It's a journal cover freebie, and it's super cute. It's just if you need a cover. Some people like to make their own covers, and some people are loving the freebie covers we're doing, so we're going to make sure to try and include that in every month as a freebie. So if you just scroll to the bottom of the homepage at pinkmonarchprints.com, you will see it there and you can download it. Okay, let's jump into the kit, starting off with these gorgeous, gorgeous papers. So in this kit, we're going to have some more busy papers with some statement designs that are going to be just more bold. And then of course in the kit we're also going to have some very neutral papers. So there's about 3 or 4 more neutrally papers, and then like 3 or 4 really busy statement papers, and then a bunch in between, just so that you're getting a little bit of everything and you're not going to run out of any ideas with these papers. And they all coordinate so well. I love how they all look together. And we're going to end with one of my favorite papers from the kit. Next up is double pages, and as you guys know, we always like to include some simple double pages just so that you don't have to worry about covering up any cute designs, and you can add cute designs on top. I love using double pages. Here is the mini project for the month of August. I love this one. It's a really unique waterfall flap kind of folio. Comes with 5 different pages. You can buy it separately on Etsy, or you can buy it in the subscription. It's part of the 50-page kit either way. And I actually have the mini project right here with me, so I'm going to kind of just show you guys. This is super great to have in the kit because there's a tutorial on how to make this, or if you don't want to do a mini project and you just want to incorporate the elements into your journal, it's super easy to do that just because it's just pockets and things that you could just insert kind of individually. I've never seen anybody do a waterfall flap folio, I don't know what to even call it, like this one before, and so I love the shape. I love that you can just kind of, I don't know, they're super cute. So I hope you guys check that one out, and again, you can just use individual elements in your journal and you don't have to use the whole thing. While I'm here, I'll just also show you some of the other things that I've made. I've just made these for Reels on Instagram, so if you have an Instagram, make sure to be following us on there. But I've just made some kind of random things to make for Reels. And these would be great to just add into my journal as I'm making it anyway, so. Next up is envelopes and ephemera, and I'm so excited to show you guys these. There's some really basic envelopes that are going to just be really fun to add your own thing on or even use as is. And now ephemera. I love the ephemera in this kit. Just take a look. Oh my goodness. Got some French elements and some more plain ephemera and the crazy ephemera. We got a little bit of everything. Now for the tags. Guys, in this kit there are some very neutral tags, as well as some that are kind of pre-embellished and that we've prepared for you. These are good for all sorts of scenarios, and I think it's important to have both. I love the tags in this kit. One of my favorite parts to cover are these fussy cuts and tidbits. Guys, remember to cut these out and use them, especially the little tidbits. These ones will make or break your journal, in my humble opinion, but of course do what you want. I love having a ton of fussy cuts, as well as some random little pieces just to add that extra detail. Here are some more fun extras that are going to be great for adding that extra detail. These are mini specimen cards that you can kind of add anywhere you want. We always try to add in some words as well as some extra tidbits. And here are obviously some circles and some layering pieces. And finally, some trifold cards. I love trifold cards. Here are some more random items for you guys to look at, and I'm going to explain. First up, some pockets. These are great to stack on top of each other or use individually. Some slanted pockets for you guys. Again, remember you can resize everything and anything. And another variety of pockets. These are journaling cards and they are super fun to just kind of add in anywhere and everywhere. I love doing that with them. And then these are just some collage. You can use them as tear sheets. You can use them as anything you would really like, as tags, anything. They're just really cute papers that I had to include into the kit. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I am so excited to work with this kit. I will be making a small journal and just have some mini easy ideas throughout the first week or two of August, so you guys can follow along for that and kind of do your own takes on all of it. It's going to be a super fun month. If you want to subscribe, make sure to go to pinkmonarchprints.com and you can subscribe there. There's the regular plan that has the 50 pages, and then there's the gold plan that has the 50 pages, as well as some fun extras, and you can see that on the website. You can also get the freebie journal cover for this month's kit on the site, and it's overall just a really good time. Just go check it out. I'll also link the Etsy listing as well, so there's lots of options for you, and we will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching.